Okay, this video is going to talk about how to back up your maps on your computer, how to move your maps to a different hard drive or a different folder, and how to restore that backup on a new computer. If you buy a new computer, you can freely download Basecamp and install it, but it won't have any detail maps. It only has the base map. So unless you want to buy new maps from Garmin, you have to be able to move your old maps from one computer to the other. And there's a little program out there called Java GMTK, Garmin Map Toolkit. And if you just search for that, you can it'll come right up. So let's go ahead and minimize this, and we'll launch it on my old computer, which I'm connected to over the network here. So once it comes up, it searches the machine for installed maps, looking in the locations where Garmin usually installs and looking in the registry for references. So it has found 7 installations here, but it also says problem detected in 1 or more maps, and that would be these red ones here, ones that are have the red font. So if you double click on those, it'll open up this window and give you the name of the maps, where they're supposed to be installed, some other information, the unlock code, and what the errors are. And it says that there's 1,059 map segments missing from the computer. So there's errors recoverable? No, because they're missing. So what we'll do is we'll take that one and we will remove it. Do you want to remove the selected maps? Yes. And I've still got this other one here, so let's go ahead and remove it. So we're down to these. Now, since this is an old computer and I am moving to a new one, I will probably eventually remove all of these except for the latest one. But for right now, I just want to move the latest one here to my new machine so that it's available in Basecamp. So what I'll do is choose backup, and this just gives you some information about everything that's going to happen, and you can choose don't show this anymore. So let's close that, and then select the destination of the backup. So I'm not going to change that, so we'll leave that there, and then just click OK. Do you want to overwrite? Yes, because I've already done this once. So the backup is already there. So I'm just going to click cancel. And we'll go over here and I'll show you where that is. And it creates this folder called GMTK Backup, and it contains all of these files here. So what you need to do is to copy this folder, the entire thing, to your new computer. So let's get out of here And now we're back on my new computer. And let's see if I can remember where I put that over here. Right here, GMTK backup. So I've already copied this to the new computer. So what we're going to do is all programs, Java, wah. We'll launch it on this machine. Yes, we want to let it run. And it already shows here because I've already installed it on this machine. But if we were to pick restore, select a custom folder, so you just click on this button and then go find that folder where you moved it from the old machine to the new one. And then I don't want to click OK because I don't want to restore it again because I've already made some changes. But once you click OK here, it will install these maps, put all the files in the right place, write all the correct information in the registry, modify whatever files need to be modified, register the unlock code, and you will be able to open Basecamp and you have it available. City Navigator 2013. So that is the easiest, best way I have seen to move your maps from an old computer to a new computer. So now I have, you know, if without doing that, this is what you get. You have no detail. You just have the global map. So that's why you have to move your map over so that you have the detail, so that you get all these routable roads. You have nothing without this. So that concludes our little demo of using the GMTK.